Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new user profile for SkyShowtime. And to do this you will need to click on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Right here you should be able to see all available profiles on this account. Click on the plus button, pick the avatar for that profile. And here you can adjust it for the kids. If you want, then say yes. If not, click on no. Enter the name for the profile and click on the done or enter. Right here the profile is created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.